ways that we can represent a relation, and those are in our learning target. Who can read our learning target for me?
Me.
All right, read it.
All right. I can represent a relation as an ordered pair set, a table, a graph.
Yes, it's also on your paper.
I forget to write now.
Okay, a graph and
A mapping
diagram. Yes. So we're going to do an ordered pair set, a table, a graph, and a mapping diagram. So first we have to define it. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sure.
All right, so a relation is a set.
Oh, I remember this.
Good. Of input.
There you go.
And output.
Yes.
What I say?
And output values. Yes. Now, who can tell me on a graph what another word is for input? Close. Henry? Coordinates. Okay. Coordinates are input and output. And what is another way to represent coordinates? What two things do we have? We have the y-axis, and what else do we have? The x. So the input is what comes first. What comes first on our axes, x or y? X. All right, so input is x, output is what? Fantastic. Every time, always, and forever. From now until the end of time, input is x, output is y.
When is the end of time?
Pardon?
I said, when is the end of time?
I don't know. Now remember, we write them as ordered pairs, which is x comma y. Do you guys remember doing that?
Yes.
Woo!
Feels like we're going back to 7th grade.
Yeah, we kind of are.
I learned this too.
Good. All right, so we're going to write down some characteristics, and the characteristics are the different ways to represent them. So there are several ways to represent. We're going to talk about 4 specific ways today, but there are many different ways. So what do you think the first way is?
Ordered pairs.
Ordered pair. Look at you go. Ordered pairs. Awesome. Who can look up there and tell me another way?
Table.
A table. Awesome. So an input, output table, which is an XY table. What's another way?
First graph.
Points on a graph. Fantastic. Points on... Hey, are you writing as well? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure you're not getting so excited you forget to write.
Don't make him serious.
Another way?
Happy diagram.
And there's 2 ways, which we're not going to talk about today, but I want you to know what they are. One is an equation, and another is a sentence. Sentence.
Yeah.
Good. So you do retain knowledge.
That's me.
Alright, what's the difference between example and non-example?
Non-example, non-example.
So give me another definition.
No.
Without using the word example.
No definition.
Okay.
No explanation.
Okay, awesome. What's an example?
An example is something being example.
Without using example.
Something being explained.
Okay, something being explained. So it's a description, right?
Yeah, this one.
It's a very specific description, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we are going to do 2 examples and 3 non-examples. Yay.
Oh, so like non-example is like the bottom?
Yes. Look at you go. Alright, so our first example is we're going to write an ordered pair. Now you have to write a squiggy. If you don't know how to write a squiggy, also known as a bracket, you write it as an S and then a curvy 2. You have to do one on each end. So it's an S and then a curvy 2. You have to write the brackets. It's okay, you just gotta have the brackets.
Let's get close,
Alright, now we write our ordered pair sets, we write them in parentheses with commas in between. So we have 5 and 2, 3 and 6, and I'm just making this example up as we go, 7 and -9, and -11, 4. And then we close the bracket with a 2 and an S.
Was that -9?
Yes. Excuse me.
Where you go, Freddie?
Oh, I want to throw my trash with you.
Did you need your phone to do that?
Huh?
Did you need your phone to do that?
No, I was picking it up because it already charged.
Alright, so what we're going to do now, in our example, is we're going to turn these points into an input-output table. Input represents which axis?
X,
And what does output represent?
Y.
Okay, so we're going to write X and Y, just like that. And we're going to take these points and we're going to put them here. Now, what comes first in the ordered pair?
But the lowest? No. I don't know.
In the ordered pair, what comes first? X or Y?
X. Oh,
X. Alphabetical order. X, Y, X, Y, X, Y, X, Y. So if you get confused and you don't know, write X and Y every time. Every single time. He said no. Alright, now we're going to take this coordinate and we're going to put it here. How would we write that?
Oh, put 5.
5, then 2. What would come next?
3, 6. 7, 7, 7, 11, make it 11, 4.
Boom, that's all you do. It's that easy. So much.
I'm hungry.
Alright, so now non-examples. Are we ready? Are we sure? Okay. Alright, so our non-example first one is this. What is that?
4.
It starts with a C. C-O.
Count.
C-O-N.
Oh, C-O-E.
Conjunction.
Wait, I didn't know. I don't know if it's a math word.
It is.
Hold on, don't say it. Wait, what is it? C-O-N?
C-O-N.
Compare, no.
No.
I know the word. I don't know how to say it though.
Okay, what's the second word?
Like Otis.
C-O-N-S.
Constitute? Constitute? I don't know.
Not constant. Oh my gosh. Yes. Constant. You are a psycho. Alright. What is this? It's not, I know that it's X, but what's the other word for it? Variable. If you don't know how to spell variable, look at the board. I'm spelling it correctly. Commit that to memory. Learn how to spell.
Very
Wow, that was pretty. He's like, you put very A-L-L?
That's not how you spell very either.
I know, when you spell very, V-E-R-R-Y.
Whoa! Whoa!
That is not anything.
Whoa!
Very is V-A-R-Y. Very, like I very, very, very much stress about how you don't know how to spell, is V-E-R-Y. Back to math.
Dang.
Alright, so this is a constant. That is not a relation. This is a variable. That is not a relation. Who can tell me what this is? It starts with a T.
Term.
Yes, look at you go.
Term.
Thought you didn't retain knowledge.
Go ahead and do some other stuff.
You guys are funny. Alright, are we ready for the back?
No.
Turn it over. Okay, children, hush. Alright, so on the outside of these flappies, we're going to write 4 words. So do not open. This is on the outside. Okay? The first way that we're going to talk about representing a relation is ordered pairs. So that's our first flappy. Now, these are the ways we represent. The next one is an input-output table. Thank you. Then it's a graph.
Can you speak in English?
And what's the last one on our learning target?
Table.
Mapping diagram. So close. So close.
I'm hungry.
Congrats. Dang.
I just put my scissors up and accidentally knocked the stapler off.
Dang.
Are we ready? What are you doing?
I'm throwing my brightness down.
But it should not be on your desk.
I know.
It should be.
Can I just turn it down now?
No, put it away.
Please?
Away.
Go on her Snapchat like you did to me.
She's not on Snapchat.
I'm not on Snapchat.
I'm on Snapchat.
I wasn't on Snapchat. Sorry. You still went through life on Snapchat.
You kept getting Snapchats.
You got any streaks on Snapchat?
I don't know what that means.
You want to start one?
Oh, if you get on Snapchat or any social media in my class, I get on there and post. Just to let you know.
You post a video on your story, and then everyone makes fun of you.
I did it to 2 kids today.
I can't hurry up.
Alright, ways to represent a relation. So we're going to talk about the first 2 today. And then tomorrow we're going to finish and we're going to have an activity that is super easy and super fun.
Super fun?
Super fun. Super duper duper fun.
Superhero fun?
Yes.
I doubt it.
Alright, so let's open our ordered pairs, our first flappy, and we're going to write out here on the outside, okay? It says, we write sets in brackets, that's the squiggies, with commas, not comas, C-O-M-M-A-S, commas, We're not putting people in a coma. Between each pair. What is an ordered pair? We wrote it down a minute ago. How do we write it? X and a Y, and we put it in parentheses with a comma, not a coma. Alright, this is the set that we're going to be working with. It's 2, -4, 5, 5, -3, 7, and -5, -2. Now remember, put brackets on the end, put them in parentheses, and put commas in between. Wrap it up, come on.
No.
Yes, we got to do table. And then you got to get your homework. I know, life is so difficult for you guys.
Yeah, you know what? It is.
I'm telling you.
I know.
Bunch of babies.
You don't go through the emotional struggles that we go through.
I already did it, baby.
Yeah, but things are harder now.
Oh, please.
Yeah, exactly.
Y'all make it harder on yourselves.
It's all relative.
Alright, input, output table. Open this beauty. So we can have two kinds of tables. A vertical table and a horizontal table. Which way is vertical? Up and down. Which way is horizontal? Fantastic. Alright, so a vertical table. X is on the left. A horizontal table. X is on the top. Your homework tonight is to take our ordered pair set and write it in your tables.
Oh, that's it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.